for whom a far or near exists not, with no anguish or entanglement. Him, a true Brahmin, a true Arahant, I call. Dhammapad 385. To him there is no further shore. To him there is no near shore either. To him both these shores are non-existent. He is free of anxiety and is freed from bonds. That person I describe as a Brahmana, as an Arahant, for whom is found no near or far, for whom is no near or far, free of fear and fetter free. That one I call a Brahmin true and Arahant true. Dhammapad 385. Jasya parang aparang ba paraparang no vidyati vitaddarang visangjuttang tamahang brahmi brahmanang. Dhammapad 385.